Hi, I'm Jeff Franklin with FC Tucker Realtors, jeffsells.com. Today, behind these gates is a 60-acre retreat. It has a 6-acre pond, trails, great for gardening. There's a guest home, stunning space, wonderful opportunity for your own personal retreat. Let's take a look. We're perched on the top of the hill with a great view of the surrounding nature. I love the open architecture of this home. There's a beautiful breeze here today, and it's a perfect place to sit, relax, play games, jigsaw puzzles, or just catch up. Let's take a tour of the 3-season home with a really great mid-century aesthetic. You have a commanding view of the lake. You have great access to the bedroom, kitchen, living space. I love the design elements of this with the garage door that separates the sleeping area. You have a full bath that opens with sliders, as well as a really fun kitchen with a gas range, perfect for gatherings. The kitchen has the same garage door option, plus from the kitchen to the sun deck, an equally great view of the lake, and we have a very elevated outhouse, as well as the full modern bathroom inside. So gardeners, there's a space for you here. There's well water with spigots throughout the property, plus you have a great little gardening bench. Great recreation opportunities have great needs for storage. So you have 2 storage buildings that are lockable. Also, there's a great gravel road that extends around in a circle for additional overflow parking. This Owen County retreat features hiking. You have trails that go all the way around this 60-acre property. Enjoy the outdoors on this 6-acre lake. It's stocked with bass, bluegill, crappie, and an occasional catfish. One of my favorite aspects of this property is the private lane that brings you onto the property. You have this beautiful 6-acre lake view. You come around the corner, it's an aha moment. Plus, it takes you up the hill to the beautiful 3-season home. We're perfectly located near Bloomington, Indianapolis, McCormick Creek Park, as well as Cataract. Thanks for touring 2092 Rocky Hill Road. I'm Jeff Franklin, FC Tucker Realtors, jeffsells.com.